Okay, we're making boiled potatoes. We're just slicing our potatoes into 4 parts, then in half, and we'll just make chunks to go with our delicious chicken for lunch. And I know it's all starch, but that's okay. That's okay, guys. You know, some days you just need that just good stuff. And today's one of them days. For me, I need the carbs. I need the goodie. Put them in the pan. Okay, here's our potatoes boiling. Slow boil. Let's turn them to an 8 so they'll go ahead and get done. And once mine boil, guys, I just kind of time them about 10 minutes. And they're done. So there's our half a stick of butter. I'm telling you, it's boiled potatoes and butter. So good. So yummy. We'll put a little bit of black pepper in here. Alright, we're just going to let them hang out now and boil until, like I said, 10 minutes. And then the chicken will be just about ready. And we'll be ready to eat, guys. Okay, guys, here are the potatoes. They're done. See how it kind of thickens up I don't know, it just forms magic. And then you just want to make sure, find you one like that big one there. Put it right over there. Make sure you can cut it in two. That's all you want. And there you go, guys. There's our potatoes ready for lunch. Our chicken will be out in 2 minutes. All right.